Okay, this one is due to this motor problem. Keep vibration, you see. So when you open the door, and he stopped immediately. I write new one, he was stop smooth one. Okay. So this motor, it will affect the cooling, go to below. Then from here to below, go to below. Then below also no cold. Totally stop. It will affect the whole face no cool. Because the cooling all here, all inside here. This one bring out the cooling. That's why the freezer and chiller then can go. Then if this one stop, the cooling all stay inside. Never bring our freezer also start to defrost. And the chiller also no cold. This one very important.